Welcome to solverfy.
If we're trying to find a degree for a polynomial and we have zeros at -1 and 3, then we know that it comes from factors of x plus 1 and x minus 3. And then if 3 plus 3i is a 0, then x minus 3 plus 3i and x minus its conjugate 3 minus 3i would all be 0, so those would be the 4. So x plus 1 times x minus 3 is x squared minus 3x plus x is minus 2x minus 3. And then this is x minus 3i and x minus 3 plus 3i. We can multiply these two together. Distribute the x, you get x squared minus 3x plus 3ix. And then distribute the negative 3 to get minus 3x plus 9 minus 9i. And then distribute the negative 3i, you get minus 3ix plus 9i minus 9i squared, which is plus 9. Simplify this here. We've got a positive and negative 3ix. We've got a positive and negative 9i. This was x squared minus 6x plus 18 times the x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now distribute the x squared, we get x to the 4th minus 6x cubed plus 18x squared. Distribute the negative 2x, you get negative 2x cubed plus 12x squared minus 36x. And then distribute the negative 3, you get minus 3x squared plus 18x minus 18 times negative 3 is negative 54. Combine like terms, x to the 4th, and we got minus 8x cubed, and then plus 30x squared, plus 27x squared, excuse me. And then a negative 36 plus 18 is a negative 18x, and minus 54. Now we want to check, because it's supposed to be true that f of 1 is negative 104. So let's first graph. I'm using decimals. It does say if you're using a graphing calculator to check it. So let's check what x to the 4th minus 8x cubed. I'm actually going to do f of x. We said minus 8x cubed plus 27x squared minus 18x minus 54. We see our zeros at negative 1 and at 3, but we want to find f. It's supposed to be true that f of 1 is negative 104, but it's not. It's negative 52. What this means is we would want to double, because we need to get that twice as large to get from negative 52 to negative 104. So you just double all the coefficients. Negative 8 would go to negative 16, 27 would go to 54, and negative 18 would go to negative 36, and 54 would go to 108. And there's our f of 1 is negative 104. Still with the same because we scaled it. So, okay, our final function, what you're putting in the box here, is 2x to the 4th, because we had to double this. 2x to the 4th minus 16x cubed plus 54x squared minus 36x minus 108.